You must sign up and register for an Instagram account before, and after a period of time, you don't feel like having and keeping your Instagram accounts. Hey guys, this is Zabby from DMC. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can permanently remove your Instagram accounts. Deleting the Instagram account is not as straightforward as compared to Facebook. It requires some few steps over right here. Okay, so if you already decided to delete your Instagram accounts, this is what you can do. Yeah, over right here, if you can see, that's actually on top of that the three lines settings there. Okay, click under there. We are going to go under the setting, and we're going to go the help center. Okay, and click into help center, and we're going to search for delete accounts. Okay, the second one, how do I delete my Instagram accounts? Okay, so then you scroll down until you see to go to the delete your account page. Okay, click in, and over right here it will ask you that why are you deleting. You need to actually select a reason from there. Is it because of too many ads? Is it because of too busy? You created a second account, privacy concern, you want to remove something, you can't find the people to follow, trouble getting started, concern about the data or something else. Okay, so you can actually just choose reasons over right here. So mine, I would just choose want to remove something. Okay, so then you click on done, right? And down here, it will ask you to re-enter your password again. Okay, so you need to make sure that you remember your Instagram password, and over right here, you just need to make sure that you key in your Instagram password again. Once done, you just click on permanently delete my account. And it will just ask you a prompt or a message. Are you sure you want to delete your accounts? If you already decided that you wanted to delete your Instagram accounts, go ahead and just click on OK. Okay, so right after you delete it, it will just show a message. Your account has been removed. We are sorry to see you go, and that's it. So yeah, your Instagram account has been successfully deleted from Instagram. Now, once you head back to Instagram, you'll be able to see that it's actually being logged out. Okay, so you won't be able to see the Instagram accounts anymore. If you don't have any Instagram account and you're planning to create a new one, you can actually click on the sign up button. Yeah, so if you have another separate Instagram accounts, you can just go ahead and click on login and log into a separate Instagram accounts. Thank you for watching our video. If you like our video, remember to have us like and share. And if you have yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, remember to click on the subscribe button, and most importantly, hit on the bell icon, so you'll be able to get notification when we launch our new video. See you in the next video.